Hi, I'm James Graff, here with James's Mortgage Minute. How many people ask about pre-approvals or pre-qualifications? And most of the time, people don't know if there's a difference. But you know what? There is a big difference. For pre-qualification, we look at your credit and take a look at some of the basics. While that's an important first step, it's nowhere near as powerful as a pre-approval. A pre-approval is where we dive in a little bit deeper and check your income, check your assets, and make sure that you can actually purchase a home. When you go to visit a seller with a pre-approval, you may be able to save thousands of dollars. This is because that seller will now have more confidence in your offer over someone else's. Also, you may even be able to negotiate a better price for yourself. This is important, obviously, in a tight competitive market. So, next time, take a very good look at getting that pre-approval. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I look forward always to seeing you soon. You can reach me at 732-500-6883. That's 732-500-6883 or 732-500-MUTE. That's 732-500-MUTE. M-U-T-E, as in mute this video, turn the audio off, mute my phone call coming in if what I'm saying to you isn't worth your while. I can't blame you. But I have to thank you for not muting this far, and I have to thank you for all your precious time that you spent listening. Have an absolutely wonderful day. Thanks again.